Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCaliRific. Today we are finally back at Universal Studios Hollywood. So of course you know we're gonna walk around the park, see what updates we could find. So come along and let's go. So the first thing we did when we got in the park, because especially it's been so packed, is we started our day off with the studio tour. And of course I wanted to ride it to see the Halloween Horror Night updates. The first update we got, there is another house set up. It was set up last week with the tent, but I haven't been here like in 2 weeks, but now the walls and the woodwork are going up. But the thing is, you couldn't see the facade this year. They definitely blocked it off. Last year, as you know, it was Killer Clowns, so you were able to see it, but this year I guess they learned the lesson and closed it off. Also now in the studio tour, they did incorporate a little promo for Super Mario Bros. So that was cool. I don't know how many of you have seen that movie, but I actually really did enjoy it. So if you grew up playing the games, I definitely recommend it. I enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought if you did see the movie. And today we also went through Jaws. They were doing some filming in the area. They were waving at guests, they're really nice, but the studio tour had to go silent, especially when they film. So that was interesting to experience Jaws like completely silent. Notice like I have been sitting like on the fourth car on the studio tour, like on the way back, and if you want to get like a little shot of Norman, that's a good place because he definitely comes at you on the fourth car. And lastly, for the Halloween Horror Night update, the second house is now starting to form their facade as well, so that was super cool to see. And the other facade is being painted gray. Again, if you guys know or have any rumors on what those houses are, I am super curious, so don't forget to let me know. So of course I came to this area just to see if a tent or anything has gone up, and again, nothing yet. They do have like those barricades up. I'm not sure if that means something will be here soon, but the one over there, look at, here's a little view I wanted to show you from the angle. That one definitely has progress. Like I didn't come last week, so I didn't even get to see the tent. But not only is there a tent, but the wood frames are going up. So that is the current progress here for Halloween Horror Nights. But again, I think a lot of us are waiting for that one to be set up. I'm surprised this is not open yet. It's 12 p.m., but the line is forming already. All right, so I wanted to show you the new popcorn bucket, but look at the line just to get into the studio cafe. It is back there. It is madness today. All right, so that was actually the line for the hot entrees. So I was able to come in and show you Toothless. All right, and if you wind this up, the little wings do flap. How cute is that? Okay, so the ears, you can move them. And this is where the popcorn goes. The eyes do light up blue as well. So again, this is a little bit on the pricier side, $42.99. You do get free popcorn refills all day. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a up close look. Let's take a look at the lanyard as well. I am super glad that Universal are making newer popcorn buckets, so I can't wait to see which one is next. So they did add seating over here, which I do appreciate. I always love some seating. But as you can see, they put like these hedges up, so we can't really look into this building anymore. But hopefully that means they will start construction soon for the rumored Fast and the Furious roller coaster. So of course we had to come check on the progress of this house. And we're gonna do a little tour, show you little angles of this house, just see what newness, if any, we could find. All right, so last time I came, this was not painted as of yet, but today they got some black paint. Progress. So here at the City Snack Shop, they did get in some new desserts and pastries. So I'm gonna show you some newer options and probably try at least one today. All right, so here are some of the new options you could find at the City Snack Shop. We got the strawberry spiral croissant, which looks delicious. Chocolate spiral croissant, chocolate chip cookie, the giant pretzel, which they did have. They have some triple chocolate chip cookies, homemade beignets, which I've tried, they were fine, and an orange olive oil bundt cake, which I don't know if I'm really a fan of like orange citrus desserts, but they do have it if you are interested. Okay, so here's a look at the prices of the items, but it looks like the cinnamon roll is sold out. That was something I did want to try, but I think we're gonna go with the strawberry croissant. Here is our strawberry spiral croissant. Not gonna lie, it looks a tad bit dry. Also, it did look different from the display, but who knows? We gotta taste it, right, to see if it's good. Okay, so we did cut it in half, and it does have some like cream filling. It's actually not as hard as I thought. If the croissant was warm, it would be so much better. It's not like the best croissant, honestly. I've had like flakier, more buttery tasting croissant, but with the filling and the strawberries, it is good. I really like the cream filling. It's like light and fluffy, airy, but also has like a little hint of sweetness. And of course the fresh strawberries are delicious. But yeah, if they just worked on the croissant and if it was warm, it would be like really good. So like final verdict, the croissant, like if you ate that croissant by itself, it was dry, wasn't like buttery, flaky, but with the cream filling and the fresh strawberries, which were delicious on top, it really did help it. So I did enjoy it. I don't regret getting it. But again, like that croissant isn't like the best croissant. I got points for those fresh strawberries. So the park is super packed today. I'm hoping like next week when I come back, spring break crowds will be gone and at least it'll be a little lower than it is. So we didn't get to do much. Also, my pass does expire Monday and I'm planning to get platinum finally. So hopefully I'll take you on some rides next time. I just had the gold pass, so I didn't have platinum. But with platinum comes a lot of benefits and perks, like express after 3 p.m. So hopefully next time I can take you guys on some rides. But today it's just gonna be quick little updates. Here in front of the Illumination store, they usually have like a little minion display. But right now they are promoting the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Maybe they'll get some items right here. Okay, since I haven't been here in a little bit, I didn't get to show you this new cup that they have added. Every time I come, they just keep expanding on this collection, which is super cool. I like all the little glitter. This is going for $17. They also have like a little dining set with some spoons and the plates and the cups. So like I said, always expanding on this collection. Okay, so here in the Hello Kitty store, here's just like a collection of the Loungefly they have. They do have this one and the backpack as well. And I like it because it has like a different Sanrio characters. It's not just like Hello Kitty specific, but they have like Cinnamon Roll, Keroppi, and all of Hello Kitty and her friends. That's super cute. So I showed you some of the donut collection that they had last time, but they did expand on it, like this wallet right here, and it has all sprinkles on the Simpsons character and this mini donut one as well. Let's see, this one's $45 and like this change purse is $22. I didn't notice this, but it has like a bitten donut too. They had this sweater, so they are expanding on this donut collection, like this bucket hat. It is reversible, so if you just want like a pink one, they do have this as well. But I was walking over here and they have a matching backpack to the wallet and it says The Simpsons. It's a cute little bag. Again, it has the little donut there. And right here it says Universal Studios. And this is $65. All right, everyone. So that was my super short trip here to Universal Studios Hollywood. Again, I just wanted to show you the little updates that I did find. But of course, we'll be back next week, hopefully with lower crowds so we could do some more stuff. Woo, a little bug. Hopefully next week there'll be less crowds, so we go on some rides and just have like a little longer day. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.